Hey everyone, looking for ways to boost your income? Millions are making extra cash online, and today we're diving into one of the easiest methods, paid online surveys. We'll reveal the top legitimate survey sites where you can earn up to $50 per survey. That's real money for sharing your opinions. Forget the scams. We're only focusing on trustworthy platforms to ensure your safety and financial security. Get ready to see a quick rundown of some of the best survey sites out there, so you can start earning today. Let's explore 3 top-rated survey sites. We'll show you exactly what to expect. First up, site name 1. See how easy it is to sign up, the variety of surveys available, and how you can get paid, whether it's via PayPal or gift cards. We'll also give you a realistic idea of the average earnings per survey. Next, site name 2 offers a unique feature. Check out its interface and learn how its payment system works. Finally, site name 3 stands out with unique feature 2. We'll walk through the sign-up, show you the types of surveys, and the average payout you can expect. Remember, earnings vary depending on the length and complexity of each survey. Ready to boost your survey earnings? Let's share some insider tips. First, look for surveys with higher payouts. They're often longer, but the reward is worth it. Complete surveys efficiently by reading instructions carefully and answering honestly. Maintain a detailed and accurate profile to qualify for more surveys. Manage your time effectively. Set aside specific times for survey completion. Finally, be wary of scams. Legitimate sites won't ask for upfront payments or share personal banking details. We'll show you red flags to look out for, ensuring a safe and profitable survey experience. Let's address your concerns about online surveys. Payment security is a top priority. We only recommend trusted platforms with proven payment methods. Survey legitimacy is crucial. We've carefully vetted each site to ensure authenticity. Time commitment is flexible. You can participate at your own pace. Finally, regarding taxes, remember to report your survey income according to your local tax laws. We're here to provide clarity and reassurance, so you can feel confident and secure throughout your survey journey. We'll cover frequently asked questions to address any doubts you may have. So there you have it. Legitimate survey sites offer a fantastic way to earn extra cash in your spare time. It's easy, flexible, and can significantly boost your income. Remember the tips we shared to maximize your earnings and avoid scams. Ready to start earning? Click the links in the description below to sign up for the survey sites we featured. Don't wait. Take control of your finances and start making money today. We're here to support you. Connect with us on social media for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.